This is Sorrentos Pizza on Royal Caribbean's Star of the Seas cruise ship. This is open daily from 11:30 a.m. until 3 a.m. in the morning. This is located on Deck 5 in the Royal Promenade. This quick service pizza spot offers classic and specialty slices of pizza and a popular choice for a late night snack. You can order as many slices as you would like. There's always cheese and pepperoni available, and every day there's a third option which changes. We saw a Hawaiian, barbecue chicken, and even a supreme option. You can even place an order for a whole custom pizza, including options like veggie or gluten-free, with a relatively short wait time. There is a self-service beverage station that includes water and an ice dispenser. There are 2 Coke Freestyle machines, which you can use if you've paid for the beverage package on board the ship. The pizza here is fantastic. This was a popular spot to come after a night of activities and enjoy a hot, fresh slice of pizza.